let's make this cup. I grabbed a 20-ounce snow globe from the Stainless Depot, and I cleaned it off with some isopropyl alcohol. And I grabbed this strawberry shortcake UV DTF wrap and stuck that down. I'm going to be using Adhesive Apothecary's medium flow levitation solution and mixing that with part 1 of the strawberries and cream drip kit. I added a little bit of a mixture to the cup and then added these strawberry milk mix clay sprinkles from Happy Kawaii Supplies. And I alternated between the liquid and sprinkles a few more times until I was happy with how it kind of balanced each other out. In hindsight, I would have added a little more pink to the solution, I think, but it's still cute. And there we go.